Are you looking for some last minute gifting ideas? Here you have a cute ribbed headband. This headband is made using the English rib stitch. So first you will learn how to make the English rib stitch and then we will see how to make this twisted headband. So get ready with your favorite colored yarn and appropriate sized needles and we will cast on odd number of stitches. I will cast on 15 stitches using the long tail cast on method. You can check the link in the description to know how to make a long tail cast on. So once you cast on 15 stitches, row 1 starts with slipping the first stitch. Next is a purl and next is a knit. Next purl 1, next knit 1. So for this entire row you will just be making purl 1 and knit 1. Repeat this till the end of this first row. Purl 1, knit 1, purl, knit, purl, knit, and the last stitch will be a knit stitch. This completes the row 1. Now moving to the row 2, again you will slip the first stitch. Next stitch is a knit stitch but through the back loop. Knit through the back loop and purl the next stitch. Next is knit through the back loop and purl the next stitch. So for the second row you will knit through the back loop and you will normally purl the next stitch. Every knit stitch you make in the second row will be through the back loop. Continue the same pattern till the end. Last stitch will be a purl stitch. It is difficult to see the pattern in just 2 rows. So you will continue making the first 2 rows, row 1 and row 2 for the entire length of the headband. All the odd number rows you will be making whatever you did for row 1, and for all the even number rows you will be repeating whatever you made for row 2. So keep repeating row 1 and row 2 for the entire length of your headband. This is how the pattern looks after you make a few rows. Both the sides look same and any side can be used as the front side or the right side. I am making this headband for a 1-year-old, so I'll be repeating row 1 and row 2 until the pattern reaches 14 inches. Now my pattern measures 14 inches. You can see how beautiful this English rib stitch looks like. It looks the same on both the sides. Any of the sides can be used as the right side. Now we will cast off the stitches using the stretchy bind off method. You can check the link in the description to know how to make a stretchy bind off. After casting on the last stitch, leave a longer tail and cut off. Tie a knot to secure the stitch. Now thread in needle and choose your side whichever you want on the front, and you will stitch the ends together on the wrong side. So fold the 2 ends, insert the folds within each other properly. Don't leave any gap in between. It may take some time, but insert it properly. Take your sewing needle and stitch all the 4 sides. Lift 1 stitch from each side and start stitching. One stitch from each fold should be picked up. Stitch it till the end. You can stitch 2 times over and over again. Once you are done with stitching, tie a knot at the end and hide the tail in between the stitches and trim it. Hide the another tail also. Now flip it over, turn it inside out, and this is your beautiful twist you just gave. This is the result of slipping the first stitch. It gives a very neat edging. And this is how you make a twisted headband using the English rib stitch. I hope the video tutorial was helpful and you enjoyed watching it. Do subscribe for more such videos. Thank you.